Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so excited to dive into today's episode with you. Our word of the day is all. It's a simple but incredibly powerful word that you'll encounter often in English. Let's get started. The word all is a determiner that means the whole quantity, or everyone. We use it to refer to the entirety of something or to emphasize that nothing is left out. For example, you might say, I ate all the cookies, meaning every single cookie is gone. Another example could be, we need to invite all our friends, meaning every single friend should be included. Now, let's look at some synonyms for all. Words like every, entire, and whole can often replace all in sentences. For example, instead of saying, I read all the book, you could say, I read the entire book. Or, she answered all the questions could become, she answered every question. On the flip side, antonyms of all include none, nothing, and some, which convey the opposite meaning. For instance, if you say, I didn't eat any of the cookies, you are emphasizing that you had none of them. Or, only some of the students passed the test contrasts with saying that all of them passed. In everyday conversations, all is used frequently. You might hear phrases like, that's all I need, or we're all set for the party. It's also common in expressions like, it's all or nothing, which means you're going for the complete effort or none at all. Here are a few more examples to help you see how all fits into sentences. She spent all her time preparing for the exam. We cleaned up all the mess after the event. Thank you for all your help. So, to wrap up, all is a versatile word that helps us express completeness or totality. Whether you're talking about a group of people, a collection of items, or a situation, all helps make your meaning clear. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful and fun. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show and grow our community of English learners. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word all and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to read what you come up with. See you next time.